Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Osni Usman as Coordinator of Digital Business Study Program, the Honorable Ms. Diana Noviarini, my building lecturer, has assisted me in preparing this internship report. And to all estimate attendees, allow me to introduce myself. I am Kirai Nevitasari with student ID 1710621019 from the Digital Business Program, the batch of 2021. And today I will present my internship report as a partnership in the Upskill Business Division of PT Cerdas Digital Nusantara or CAKAP through a certificate internship program organized by the Ministry of Education and Culture. Next slide. Okay, this is the table of contents. And next slide. First, as we know, in this rapidly evolving digital era, digitalization has changed the job market with the risks of human jobs being replaced by advanced technology. Traditional skills are become less relevant while the demand for digital skills is increasing. In Indonesia, the challenges of digitalization are further complicated by the demographics bonus that is expected to occur in digitalization are further complicated by intensive programs. Moreover, internship programs play an important role in helping students acquire skills and competence that are relevant to the job market, especially in the field of technology and digitalization. In order to form talented human resource, the Ministry of Education and Culture create a certificate internship program in collaboration with university and companies throughout Indonesia. This program is especially for active students in Indonesia. This program can help students understand the impact of digitalization and contribute to future change, including the demographic bonus and the impact of digitalization in Indonesia. Next slide. Okay. Furthermore, during my internship, this objective of internship first and understanding of the development of the startup market, especially in the education technology sector. Second, understand the development trend of consumer behavior for the creation of effective check-up upskill program campaigns. Third, practice effective public speaking techniques and effective marketing strategies to offer partnership program to check up business partners. Next, practicing work related to digital business field, especially digital marketing and market research. And the last, practice professional collaboration, communication, and teamwork skills in the world of work. Next slide. Okay, furthermore, during my internship, I had the opportunity to work at PT Cerdas Digital Nusantara or CAKAP, lokasi at Grogol West, Jakarta. My respective lectures, CAKAP is a private institution engaged in educational technology. CAKAP is a skill building platform designed to provide quality education to help master skills and achieve more in life, which is in line with the SDGs PBB. Next slide. Okay, because Cakap the startup and this Cakap vision is to realize the true potential of Indonesian talent by providing transformative career and skills enhancement solution. And Cakap's mission is improving people's life by providing high quality upskilling course and accredited certification. Next slide. Okay, then there is a picture of the organizational structure of the Chakap company. Because Chakap is a startup, it has specially difference from the other companies. At the very top is the Chief Executive Officer, or we call CEO, or founder of Chakap. And then below are the work units of technology and products, growth, education, operation, human resource and culture, finance, and business. Next slide. Okay. During my 5 months internship, I held the position of strategic partnership in the upskill division under the business unit. There is photo on the right, which is the upskill platform. So it is the product line of the business unit. Therefore, upskill plays an important role in increasing Chakap's revenue. Upskill is certified online class that has a variety of skill class, soft skill and hard skill, and has two programs, namely Cakap Upskill Webinar and Cakap Upskill Marketplace. Next slide. Okay. As a strategic partnership, I have three main tasks, including first, acquiring business partners, second, maintaining business partners, 10, managing the operational and technical implementation of upskill class. And in addition, I was also excited to be a digital marketer, including assisting in the creation of upskill campaigns for the May to August 2024 period and promoting upskill class through push notification on the insider website. Next slide. Ladies and, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed examining lecturer and attendees, firstly, I will discuss the text of conduct market research to identify potential upskill user price. The workflow for this text is as follows. First, practitioner set class price based on the theory from Kotler, collect subjects that have been taught and mentor guidance. Next, furthermore, practitioners get the result of the class price of 10,000. This result has passes discussion with business partners so that the solution offered is win-win decision aimed at the attracting users. Next slide. Okay, the next step is to contacting business partners to present upskill program corporation over through Google Meeting and business WhatsApp group. The steps for this text are as follows. The intern contact the client through the business WhatsApp group with the writing format provided by the mentor. And next, if the client is interested, then arrange a meeting to discuss the cooperation in more detail. Finally, the intern lead discussion and present upskill programs to business partners in a comprehensive manner. Next slide. Okay, the next text is to develop or expand the online community and handle obstacles or problems that might be faced by business partners during their cooperation with the Cakap Upskill program. The steps for the text are as follow. In the first photo, the intern facilitates interaction and discussion among community members, ensuring the community atmosphere remain positive by sharing promos organized by upskill class. Next, respond to and handle constraint or requests submitted by business partners related to upskill program preparation. Next slide. The fourth, manage the operational and technical implementation of upskill class. The steps for these texts are as follow, and maybe we can next slide. Okay. First, the intern start by provide class schedule booking link to business partners. Then business partners fills in order link. Next, the intern input the business partner class schedule to upskill spreadsheet. And then the intern input design request to creative team. Next, input promotion schedule to social media team. And last, distribute registration and design links to business partners. Next slide. Okay, the next text was to host an upskill class, or we call it MC. Practitioners are assigned to design an interesting MC text, guide the class from start to finish smoothly, and create an interactive and vibrant classroom atmosphere. Next slide. Okay, Next text, assess in integration of upskill campaign for the period of May to August 2024. The steps for this text are as follows. The intern and mentor discuss identifying problems in the upskill program. After finding the problem, I was assigned to find a period that has a high interest in online learning or upskill, which match upskill market segments of students, college students, new graduates, and young workers. I looked for this through internal company data and Google Trends. Furthermore, my mentor and I developed the benefits of the campaign for partners and user checkup. And finally, I create an engaging marketing script for the upskill campaign so that user and business partners were interested in following it. Next slide. Okay, this next slide. Okay. Lastly, the intern assists promoting upskill class through post notification on Insider website. Push notification are one of the digital marketing strategies, namely notification in the form of short message sent by Chakap to Chakap application users. In making this push notification, creativity is needed in making interesting sentence so that user register for upskill class. In addition, high accuracy is also needed because it must pay attention to the time and date of posting and target users so that the promotion is right on target. Next slide. Okay. Of course, during my internship, I have several challenges, including first, lack of human resource or HR in the upskill division. There was a communication error between the creative team, social media team, and upskill team. Next, mixed response from business partners in understanding the explanation as well as the potential for sudden cancellation of classes. Next, practitioners' understanding of the Cakap Upskill Marketplace program is still lacking. And the last, device that are not provided by the agency that require practitioner to use personal device. Next slide. Okay, suggested solution to this challenge are as follows. For the first challenge, utilize existing resource more efficiently by asking other team for help. In addition, I also communicate this to the mentor by giving opinion from the external side to add team members so that all work can be done well. Two, to resolve error in communication between teams, I analyze the communication problem, whether it was a difference in understanding, a lack of information, or a problem in the communication channel used. Then create a joint communication group for the three interconnect teams for clear coordination and understand individual values that may affect how individuals handle conflict. Three, to overcome the diverse response from business partners, I have to understand the nature of each partner, that they have different traits so that practitioners are not easily carried away if things get heated. Then actively communicate with all partners by providing clear and timely explanation, negotiation, or preparing alternative solutions that have can be offered, and conducting a thorough evaluation. Next, in overcome the lack of understanding of the Cakap Upskill Marketplace program, I learned about the Cakap Upskill Marketplace program by myself in depth through the website and asking mentors or other employees in the office. And the last, regarding the challenge of using personal laptop due the lack of device provide, it is important to optimize the use of personal laptop by ensuring that they are in good condition and protect from security risks, such as using the latest antivirus software and deleting obsolete files. Next slide. Next slide. gap in nah there is a gap in understanding between the theory on campus and in the world of work. In lectures, digital marketing theory is still explained in the general, not yet focused on discussing the creation of marketing campaigns. So, in the implementation of PKL or internship, I learned many new things related to the specific steps of campaign creation, such as utilizing marketing through push notification and gamification. In the implementation, I managed to understand effective marketing strategies through the upskill program campaign creation project. Then the university has not provide marketing communication in the course in the digital business study program. Whereas in the world of work, marketing communication is still closely related to the business development process because it learns strategy in negotiation with stakeholders, how to communicate effectively in business, create effective sentence for marketing campaigns, and brand development and product promotion. Therefore, it is imperative for the university to address the gap by integrating the understanding of digital marketing theory and digital and marketing communication course. Next slide. Okay, from the stats, during the 5 months of my internship, I have contributed to Chakap by successfully offered competitive and affordable pricing for the Chakap upskill webinar program, while ensuring the quality of the product and the benefits offered remained appropriate. Two, increase collaboration with business partners through the development and presentation of upskill programs corporation offers, resulting in more than 2050 webinar classes with more than 30 business partners during the 5 months PKL or internship period. 3. Contribute in managing and resolving obstacles and requests from business partners in the Checkup Upskill program, ensuring smoothness and certification in ongoing business cooperation, and then successfully enhance the interactive and engaging learning experience in the upskill checkup class as an energetic and engaging host. In the last, made an important contribution in designing and socializing the hashtag skillset Meroset campaign, which increased 68% of collaboration opportunities in the Cakap Upskill webinar program, both with business partners. Next slide. Okay, next slide. Okay, and the following is attached documentation of PKL activity, mentoring and consultation with mentors, implementation of webinar collaboration with car insurance. Next. Upskill division performance routine meeting, skill training class with MSIB, apprenticeship provinsi. Next slide. And then upskill classroom poster design, guidance with PKL supervisor. And next. And this PKL certifikasi through MSIB program Kemdikbud. Next. And the last PKL certificate and get a grade of 9.8 from the company. Next. Okay, in conclusion, with the presentation of today's internship session coming to an end, if there are any mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.